Here's how to find your Instagram profile URL or link. Now here you can see I have my iPhone as well as my Android. I'll show you the exact process to find the URL or the link to get directly to your profile. So on Instagram, the first thing you're going to do is tap on your profile at the bottom right. And now after you've done that, tap on Edit Profile midway down. And next to Edit Profile, you're going to find your username. In my case, it's Trevor Nace. So you can just tap on it, and then on here, you can just double tap and hit copy. So you need to know your username to find that URL. After you've done that, hop out of here, again on your iPhone or Android. And on here, we're going to type in Instagram.com and then type in the / and then just paste your username. So you can see again, Instagram.com / and your username. In my case, Trevor Nace, and hit go. You'll be able to see it will take me directly to my URL or my profile link. You can see here, it takes me directly to here. And if I needed to, I can just double tap on here again and hit copy. So I can copy that URL and put it anywhere else, another social media or anywhere else online. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.